Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna do some drag racing. We're gonna race this 550 horsepower Corvette against this 300 horsepower Mustang. My girlfriend will be driving this, so it seems like a totally fair fight. I gotta win somewhere in the relationship, if you know what I mean. But before we get into that, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solar Permit Specialist. If you know anyone in the solar industry, or you have a friend or family member in the solar industry, they should know the name Solar Permit Specialist. They focus on permits for solar, not only designs, but also the actual process of submitting them through the city. Quick turnaround times, easy packages, and their fast response. Give them a shout out and let's get right into this video. This looks like I'm gonna have one shitty camera view. Sorry about that, everybody. Good. Aside from spinning off the track, I don't know what the deal with that was. I hope that wasn't my clutch. That's not what I want though. Fuck, that was only one tire. Off the line, 89 miles an hour. My reaction time, 0.079. Hell yeah. That was a good run. Light. Well, I hope you liked that racing. I know the camera angle was a little weird and overall was dark. Corvette did pretty good. Wasn't our fastest passes, partially because the transmission that I put into the car had a very tall first gear. We run 355 in that car, and a very tall first gear does not help us with the launch. In fact, that car can do almost 60 in first. So way too tall of a combination. We'll be looking at getting the ratio down and getting off the line better. Rest in peace, my clutch, as that tall gear made me have to slip the clutch damn near past the 60 foot. I have a feeling that that clutch might not last much longer. I thought it might have been wheel spin, but after looking at the video, I'm pretty sure that was all clutch. So I have about 150 passes on that clutch. If it is the clutch, I got my money's worth out of it. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down below. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.